What are you cooking, Miles? Is it yummy? What are you cooking? Perfect, huh? Delicioso. Yummy. Whoa! What are you cooking, Miles? Okay, yeah. Does it taste good? Use every utensil possible. That too, sure, why not? Right, Miles? Miles, what are you cooking? What is it? Oh. Is it good? Does it taste good? What's in your basket? What's in your basket? What is that?
What's that?
Is there a banana in there? Wow.
I don't want it.
Yeah?
What's that?
What?
What's that?
Okay, keep cooking. What's that?
Banana.
Banana. Can you cook the banana? Ah! Eek! You just ate a banana. Do you want your snack? No, Miles. Did you eat your snack? Kind of. You want some?
Hey.
Here. No, eat this. Here, you can have some of these little chips. Can you cook again?
I know Daddy sorry.
Oh, really? Ooh! Wow! What's that? There were pieces in there. What is that? Wow.
Oh, there goes.
Oh, there it goes. What?
No.
Banana. Miles, did you have a nice Thanksgiving?
My baby won't.
Happy Thanksgiving. Can you say Happy Thanksgiving?
My baby won't.
Good job, Miles. Did you have fun with your cousins?
A cookie.
Yeah, you did?
He.
What did you do?
Without pushing it.
Oh, yeah? Did you play with Gracie? Yeah? Oh.
What's that?
Banana.
Oh.
What else do you have in that basket? Where's the muffin? Is there a muffin in there? Is there a muffin? Oh, muffins! 2 muffins! Wow!
Muffin.
Yeah, muffins! Good
What's that?
job. Your favorites. Ooh, are you gonna cook your muffin? Huh? Are you gonna cook the muffin? Wow! Oh! Oh, Miles. All done? Can you say bye?
Bye.
Say Happy Thanksgiving!
I'll make
Can you say Boston?
Mochi.
Can you say Massachusetts?
Magical.
Can you say love you?
Bye.
Okay. Bye, Miles.
Bye.